Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel where we explore valuable insights to help you navigate the exciting world of Forex trading. Today, we are going to address a common challenge that we as traders face: how to deal with a losing streak. We understand that as traders, losses are inevitable. Every trader goes through a couple of losses here and there, and losses can be discouraging. But fear not, because in this video, we'll equip you with effective strategies to help you bounce back and regain your trading confidence. So let's get it. If you're new to the channel, welcome to the Black Forex Academy. Please do consider subscribing, because we do drop valuable insights on trading on a daily basis that will help you make you a better trader. In front of us is Euro JPY, a trade we took earlier, but that's not what we're here to do. Hoping it gives us a good return though. Right now it's floating at about 2R. So I didn't prepare a presentation. Obviously, I like going off freestyle, because with freestyle, I believe you actually speak from the heart and you speak from experience. You don't prepare things by Googling. Me as a trader who have been in the industry for 5 years, love speaking from experience, because I actually been through it. I've been through the ups, the downs, the winning streaks, the losing streaks, the confusion, the what the hell is this? What the hell am I doing with my life? I've been through it all. So, today I'll share with you a couple of things that I believe will actually help you when you're going through a losing streak. So here we are. What to do in a losing streak, right? Cool. What to do in a losing streak? Let's change the shape, size of that. Let's make it 28. Cool. Let's get it. So first things first, what are you going to do when you're in a losing streak? The first thing that I believe any trader needs to do when you're in a losing streak is to check your strategy. Is to check or backtest your strategy. Right? The reason I'm saying this is because some of the traders out there may be thinking like, okay, this is just a losing streak. It will all be over soon. I'll get back to my winning streak and make back what I lost. But in reality, it's that trading strategy isn't really all that. That trading strategy isn't profitable. That trading strategy isn't a winning trading strategy. So in the long run, even if they do hit a winner, it won't make back the losses that they made, right? So in the long run, instead of winning back, they'll still be losing more. So the first thing I believe as a trader, if you're in a losing strategy, you need to check your strategy. You need to backtest that thing. Is it profitable? In the long run, will I make back what I lost? In the long run, will I be profitable? Once that's secure, then you can actually understand like, okay, cool, this is just a losing streak. And it will actually help you gain back your confidence. Because if you check your strategy and you understand in the long run you'll still be profitable, you'll just understand like, okay, this is just a minor setback, I'll bounce back from it. You know what I mean? So the first thing you need to do as a trader is check your strategy, backtest that thing. If it ain't working, it ain't working. It doesn't matter how patient you are. If it's not working, it's not working. You need to make sure and be certain about it as soon as possible. Now, once you've checked your strategy and you are sure that, okay, this is a winning strategy, but why am I losing? So you need to check your losses. You need to check your losses. Check your losses. Because if you have a winning strategy, why am I losing? Am I doing something wrong? Am I entering the trade in the wrong time? Am I entering the trade in a wrong structure? Am I entering the trade against the trend? Like something is wrong. Something is wrong, right? You need to check your losses. And in most cases, often than not, obviously some losses are inevitable. You may have placed the trade at exactly the same place. Maybe support resistance was broken, retest, you entered the trade, it was perfect. I get that. some losses, you can't avoid them. But sometimes we put the losses on ourselves because we just do some things wrongly. And once you go back, if you believe your strategy, if you have already checked your strategy and you know your strategy is good, check your losses. Once you check your losses, you'll notice some patterns like, okay, I did something wrong here. Why did I take this trade before the candle closed? Why did I take this trade without a confirmation candlestick? Why did I chase this trade instead of waiting it to come to me on the structure? Why did I do this? Why did I take this trade in the wrong session? Why did I do that? You know, all of these little nuggets will actually help you avoid repeating the same mistakes in the future. It will actually make you a better trader. So you need to check your losses. Why did I get that loss? It will actually make you a better trader. Losses will actually make you a way better trader than your gains will. Because with a win, if you win a trade, you're like, yeah, I'm the man, you know. Yeah, let's go and pop a bottle at the club. But losses will bring you down. Losses will bring you down to earth and be like, maybe this thing ain't for me. So if you really go down there and then you actually look at your losses, they'll actually build you and become a better trader. So you always need to check your losses if you are in a losing streak. All right. Now, after you've checked your losses, you have already seen what's up. This is what I was doing wrong. This is what's that. And you actually know what to do next or what to avoid next. You need to take some time off, man. You need to take some time off the charts. You need to take some time off. Because believe it or not, money has a psychological effect on everybody, man. It doesn't matter who you are, money has a psychological effect on you. But some of us actually like to admit that. Some people don't like to admit that, but the reality is money is money. It has a psychological effect on you. Now, after going through a losing streak, what do you think is going through your head? I need to make this money back. I need to get what's mine, you know? So all that pressure, all that, noise in your head will actually blur out the vision. It will actually make you not see things right. It will actually make you want to chase trades. It will actually make you want to, make things out of emotions, not strategically, not by following your plan. So you need to take some time off. Spend time with your family, play with your dog, go spend time in nature, do something. Just don't stay in front of the charts. Do something that's different from the charts, something that will clear your head. Obviously, everybody has their own thing. Some people it's reading a book. Some people it's talking to the lovers, doing whatever it does. But don't sit in front of the charts because you're going to hurt yourself in the long run. You don't want to do that. Now, take some time off the charts. If you are in a big losing streak, like a whole month, you need to take at least a week off. Just don't look at the charts. Don't look at nothing. Stay away from the charts. Okay? If you're in a losing streak, maybe a week, take some time off. 2 or 3 days, that's okay. That's all right. You'll be good after that. The bigger the losing streak, the bigger the break you need to take. But at the end of the day, the bottom line comes back to you need to take some time off. You need to clear your head from all this cluster, if you know what I mean, right? After taking some time off, you need to come back strong. So how do you come back strong? Obviously, you need to review your trading plan. That's the only way you're going to pay it back strong. If you don't review your trading plan, at the end of the day, you might repeat the same mistakes that you are doing. Because if you are making mistakes, best believe you didn't go according to your trading plan. So the only way that you can come back stronger after taking some time off, it's by reviewing your trading plan. So you need to go look at your trading plan. What do I need to do? When do I need to trade? What's the risk that I always have to take? What's the time that I always trade? What are the pairs that I always trade? All of that, your trading plan will actually guide you to what you need to do in order to actually become a better and successful trader, consistent trader, if you will. review your trading plan after taking some time off, because your head will be clear, you know. So once you review your trading plan, it will be sticking to you like metal to a magnet. It will be all clear to you, man. It will all be clear, right? So you need to review your trading plan after you take your losses. And after doing all that, be in a trading community. That's the last thing that you need to do, right? Be in a trading community. Be in a trading community, or if you don't like being in a community, at least talk to someone, right? Talk to, I don't know, someone with more experience. Talk to someone with, with more experience. Come on now. Experience. I hope I spelled that right. Talk to someone with more experience, or be in a part of a trading community. What will this do for you? This will actually help you become more it will actually help you be held accountable. Because if you're part of a trading community, or if you communicate oftenly with a person that has more experience, it's most likely like you'll be discussing how the trades went, how was your trading day, obviously, right? Now with all that, it will actually be like, hey, yo, so I got this trading opportunity to Euro USD. Oh, how did that come to be? Okay, so the structure was broken, it came back, it gave me a retest, I took the trade here. And then if you actually break it down, or if you're explaining to them and you're like, but I started chasing it, I risked too much, they'll be like, yo, why did you do that? Like, you know, in the long run, it's going to hurt you, right? All that. So tomorrow, you wouldn't want to be explaining to them again, like, yeah, I took the trade, risked too much, or maybe I took the trade, I believed it won't retest, so I just jumped in. No, because they'll actually hold you accountable. So being part of a trading community, or talking to someone with more experience than you are, is actually beneficial to you, because they'll actually hold you accountable, so that you'll actually stick to your trading plan and you won't be able to get unnecessary losses in the market. All right. Now, with that being said, that's why the Black Forex Academy community is always there. That's a Telegram group. If you're not part of it, please be sure to join. That's linked in the description. The link is in the description. Be sure to join that. As we always talk about trading, you know, be part of the community. It will help you grow. So with that being said, guys, these are what I believe are actually things you should do if you're in a losing streak, because they'll actually make you, you know, get back your confidence and get back in the market strong and kill it out there. So with that being said, I hope you had a fantastic week. I hope you have had a winning week, profitable week, consistent week. Let's have a great weekend, enjoyable, refreshing. And with that being said, I love y'all. Till next time, peace, cheers.